Welcome back to our IT Help Desk mock interview series. This time we'll focus on networking questions that are commonly asked during help desk interviews. Listen to each question, think about your answer first, then compare it with a professional response.
A user reports that they have no internet connection. Walk me through your troubleshooting process.
The first thing I would do is verify whether the issue affects only one user or multiple users. Then I would check the physical connection or confirm the Wi-Fi is connected. Next, I would verify the IP configuration by running ipconfig. Check whether the computer received a valid IP address, confirm the default gateway, and test connectivity by pinging the gateway.
What is a default gateway, and why is it important?
A default gateway is usually the router that allows devices on a local network to communicate with other networks, including the internet. When a computer needs to reach a destination outside of its own network, it forwards the traffic to the default gateway. Without a correctly configured gateway, devices may communicate with computers on the same local network, but they will not be able to reach external networks or browse the internet. On a Windows computer, I would use ipconfig/all to display detailed network information, including the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS servers, MAC address, and DHCP information. If additional testing is needed, I would also use ping to verify connectivity, tracer to identify the path packets take across the network, and NSL lookup to test DNS name resolution.
Explain the difference between a switch and a router.
A router connects different networks together and forwards traffic based on IP addresses. In a business environment, switches provide communication between local devices, while routers connect the organization to other networks, branch offices, or the internet.
A computer cannot obtain an IP address from the DHCP server. What would you do?
I would first verify that the physical connection or Wi-Fi is working correctly. Then, I would confirm whether the computer received an automatic private IP address, which usually begins with 169.254, indicating that it could not contact the DHCP server. I would renew the IP lease using ipconfig release and ipconfig renew. These are the types of networking questions that help desk interviewers ask every day. The more you practice explaining your troubleshooting process, clearly and confidently, the more prepared you'll be for your next interview. Follow IT step by step for more mock interviews, real help desk scenarios, CCNA labs, and practical IT training designed to help you build a successful career in information technology.